Go live. Did they approve your account?
No, I'm able to get in, but I'm not able to actually trade. I had to download another bill,
A bill?
like a utility bill, for them to like accept me.
Really?
Oh, I see you're live now.
Okay. All right. So can you hear me? Like not on the phone, but can you hear me on the page?
Oh, it just says video unavailable. The content isn't available.
It's probably buffering.
I'm trying to watch your other stuff now. Now I'm gonna go back and watch everything else. You
Yeah.
should have sent me this link days ago. I would have already been aware through all of them.
This is let me see. Go live from your browser. Okay, go live from your browser. Everything is working. That's working. Edit, live stream. Okay, manage. Yeah. And you still don't see it. What is it saying now?
Oh, it looked like it won't work, but I'm watching now. I started streaming 76 seconds ago.
Okay. Hold on. Let's say I'm live, right? Turn your videos into live screen. Da, 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 da. Okay.
I'm about to refresh again.
Oh yeah, it's yeah. You should because I can hear it. I can see it on mine, but it looks a little. It's buffering, kind of slow. Dynamic X.
Still buffering very much.
Yours buffering too?
Mm-hmm. It's thinking about letting me join.
Maybe I should cut mine off. I'm gonna cut this one off and just stay here. I wonder. They didn't ask me for no bill or none of that. They just accepted me. Oh, but it might have been because I had a prop firm, but I don't think they even asked me none of that.
It definitely asked me a bunch of stuff,
Hmm.
and I had to upload everything. I need to go back. Oh,
Did it let you in
yeah,
yet?
fine. Oh no, no, it's still buffering.
That is weird. Go live from your browser. Okay, live. Okay, I'm streaming. I'm streaming on YouTube.
Oh wait, I think I'm. It sounded like I was on there. I heard something. What happened?
Hold on.
Oh, why does it keep doing that?
Can you hear me?
I would see it for a second and then it goes away. The content isn't available.
I wonder why that is. Hold on. Let me edit channels. Record. It say live. It's I've been live 7 minutes. One viewer.
Hold on, let me just see. Control C. Let me move it to a different.
Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, oh, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Can you see it? Let me ask my partner because he's supposed to be on there too.
So So I'm gonna take it that the crimes that you committed are 100% for financial stuff.
No. No, not at all.
No.
No.
Oh.
No, I'm a drug dealer.
Oh wow.
I'm a retired drug dealer.
I heard that. Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Okay. Oh, my partner can see it. My partner can see it.
Hold on. It could definitely very well be my computer for whatever reason. Oh no, this is not.
Oh yeah, he can hear me. My partner can't see and hear me.
Okay. It could definitely be my damn device. Hold on. I'm trying to switch it up. Let me see.
Oh, that's a private chat.
Okay, now just go to the YouTube. Okay, I'm on now.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna shut the other one down because for whatever reason it kept saying unmuted. But on Mozilla Firefox.
Okay. You all right. So let me bag up a little bit. Well, okay. Well, I don't even need that on. Okay, you in, right? Where is chat? Open the chat. Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm in.
You can hear me everything?
I'm gonna hang up the phone or else we're gonna be doubled.
Okay, all right.
There's definitely a delay on my computer though, just FYI.
Okay. Well, you can
Okay.
I got the chat open too, so.
Okay, you in, right? Okay, all right.
All right.
Okay.
Mm. Okay. All right, y'all. So once you log in, we're going to open up your demo account. Your demo account should be it should be live. If I go back one page, let me see. Let me see if I go back. I ain't going back, but it should be live, recap, and simulated. Click the simulated button, and it'll be a demo account. And if you open it, it'll say equity 50,000. And if you have any questions, just type it in the chat. Hold on. Let me know when y'all demo account is open. All right, man, next. Okay. All right. Boob, you there? You in the demo account? Okay, so let's talk about how to set your page up. Let's do that first. So I'm gonna remove all of these from my page. I'm gonna remove them all. Don't show me this again. Okay, so bring your page to here where it's blank. Now we can talk about what this stuff means up here, just so you can have a clear understanding. You're gonna have to spend a little time on your own getting used to the site because it is designed for extremely fast execution, which will tend to lead you to make mistakes because you'll accidentally push a button, and accidents cost. They can cost you hundreds, they can cost you thousands. So you want to be really fluid in the understanding of how to use the site. So spend your time learning on the demo page how to execute all of the tabs on the site until you're ready. So, okay, so at the top, you see this plus button right here. This is how you add modules. We'll come back to that. This for trading, alerts. This you search right here. Searches for whatever particular future you're looking for. Obviously, time, account. This is your equity. This is your opening profit and loss right here based on your current. Like right now, I don't have no current trade, so of course it's zero. Now these are important: day margin and initial margin. We'll get to that once we get into once we get into a trade. Application settings, you can change a bunch of the settings. You can change the colors, whatever you want to do. This is world news. This is chat with the company. These are notifications. Let me see. What are these? Oh, they're my notifications notifications. Reports, it'll show you the reports will break down your winners, your losers, how well you're doing, and all of those and questions, and then this trader bait help. Okay, so to get you a future on your screen, because we are working with small, well, I'll do it like this. Okay, so we got a new chart. I just click the button, and I'll go back and show it again. I really didn't explain it. Push this. Now, everything over here is drag and drop. You're going to take this, drag it, and it's already put it over there for you. But the next one, if you wanted to add another one, you would just keep dragging and dropping. So let's say, let's start with the obvious one. Let's start with the NQ. When you put, oh shit, hold on. When you put NQ, You're going to see NQZ4, ZH5M. These all mean something. Z4 is the last one that we're in now, but it has already expired or is about to expire. I think it expired already. So it rolled over to H5. The HNQ is the future, which is the NASDAQ futures. These alphabetical letters after that denote the months. H month, M month. They're not whatever. H is January, for example, or February. It's not. So just these all are different months, and this last one is actually the year. So this is NASDAQ futures for January of 25, and it just, you can go all the way down. You see, you can go to, so you can be all the way in 28 if you wanted to. Just the months are changing. So we're gonna go with the current one, NQ5. Click select, and there you go. If I'm moving kind of fast, y'all just hit me in the chat and let me know. But your screen should look similar to this, and then we'll go over some other stuff to get you close to exactly what my screen looked like. I'll be right back. Oh shit. Okay. No, nope. But hold on. Okay, so are y'all on the same screen I'm on now? That shit too hot. All right, so let's talk about this screen right here. Well, before we even move on to the screen, let's add another one. So we go over here, we push this, we click chart, drag and drop. There we go. Hold on. I didn't drag it. Okay, so you see, it'll make the shape for you. So we can put this one on the top, or we can put it on the side, or we can put it on this side. Matter of fact, I don't even want another chart on here. I changed my mind. Oh, no, I don't do that. We are just going to click this plus button right here. We don't need a new chart. We're just going to click this plus button right here. And now we'll put in ES. You put in ES, and you see the same lineup. The 24s, the 25s, just different months. So go down to same thing, ESH5, select. So now this is the ES. So you see we got the ES on one tab. You hit this tab right here. You can jump back to the NQ tab. Thank you. Okay, now we got two more to add. So click this plus button again. Now we're going to add the micros. These are the minis All right, we're going to add the minis. Yeah, the minis. These are minis. We're going to add the micros. The micros are 1/10 of, we'll talk about that later. But just, so let's go MNQ. And you're going to see the same thing. It's still the NASDAQ, but it's the micros. It's the extra small ones. The NQ, if you have one NQ contract, let me go ahead and explain it now. One NQ contract pays you $20 for every dollar that it moves, or $5 a tick. There are 4 ticks in a dollar move. So you get $5 a tick or $20 for the whole move. Just keep that in mind. But the MNQ only pays $2 per every dollar it moves, or 50 cents a tick. So this is why when you have smaller money, you're actually going to be trading in the M's until you build your account up. But we're going to talk about that later too. So let's go here. Bam. And if you notice, if you click this, the MNQ, click that one. It's the exact same chart. There's no difference in the chart. It's just these are the smaller ones. They might have a small differences, but they're predominantly the same. So now that you got the micros, the micro NQ, now let's switch to the micro. Let's put the micro ES up there. So same thing, MES. Same, you see the same thing, the year, tells you what it is a micro, blah, 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 blah. So here we go. Click 5, bam. So now you have, and there are more options actually, but we're just gonna focus on these 4 right here. You got the NQ, ES, MNQ, and MES. Okay, so now let's talk about this over here. So let me see. Don't do that. These are boxes that allow you to make changes to your chart. For example, hold on, let me open mine up. Well, let me just go to this one. It's already open. Okay, for example, if you look at this chart right here, this chart is it's a 1 minute chart. This is time periods right here. You click this and you see 1 minute, we can change it. And based on however you change it, the chart is going to look different. Yeah, that chart look different in the 30-minute versus a 5-minute, a 1 minute, etc. So all these buttons you have to get, like if you want to change from candlestick to bars or lines, you want to do Hikanashi, Ranko. There's a lot of different options on chart type. These are things that I say you have to use and get accustomed to in your down period before you really get too active, so you don't make mistakes. So this is chart settings, auto chart, continue auto fit. Is that off? Yeah, it's off. Turn this continue auto fit off, because if you don't, you can't adjust your chart. These are chart elements. So on my chart, I have Bollinger Bands. I got a SMA 14, and I don't know why I take that shit off here. Only one I want is the 8 EMA, and at the bottom down here, you see the RSI. I don't necessarily need the RSI. I never really look at it actually, but it's an okay thing to have because it's based on relative strength. It'll kind of tell you if the move is strong or not. Okay, now this is your list of indicators, and there are a lot of indicators. And you can come down to even this button right here. Hold on, click that. What are you doing? Why I won't click? Oh, there we go. Now over here, why is my thing freezing? It's freezing for some reason. But there are a lot of indicators over here. Lots and lots and lots. So these are things that as you in your trading journey, you're gonna get accustomed to using. But we're not gonna deal with that right now. Get out of there. Get out of there. Okay, back to the chart. What is this? Same thing. These are all just if you want crosshairs or hand, data box, these drawing tools. Like, for example, say I want to draw a horizontal line. I want to make this line right here my entry. And I'm saying that, okay, if this come back here and break this line, I want to enter because it then passes low and it's the low of the day right here. But it's just more stuff. I'm just trying to show an example of how to use some of this stuff. Okay, let's go up here to you got market buy, market sell. These are fast entry points. This is how you get into something fast. You want to get in super fast, you buy market. You click that, you're going to be in instantly. You click that, you're going to be in instantly or out instantly. These two are instant. These two here are at the bid and the ask, given whatever the current math is. What is this? Let me see. What is this? Oh, this is just this. Oh, I'll just tell you how many you want. So, say for instance, right now, and we look at this chart just on some humbug stuff. It looked like it's going up. So I'm gonna buy one just on GP and let's go buy market. All right, filled. I'm in. And we're losing money right now. But it don't matter. But it's really just that simple. Now, see, we bought in and it turned immediately against us. So now it's up to you to decide how much you're willing to lose. But in that little second, we can drop to $100 already. So we can exit with this button right here. We can say exit and close. Order filled. It closed. We out $100 already, and that's that. And you can just keep. So we were wrong. So now that's sell market. Bam. Order filled. We just got back in on the sell market. We just picked it on just because it's general. I wouldn't actually be trading like this live, but. So let's see. Oh, there we go. Now we making money now. See if we can get our $100 back right quick. We got 50 of it back so far. Well, so as you see, it goes back and forth, but it's up to you whenever you want to exit. Well, let me see something. So let me show you another way. Okay, so say I want to get out of this thing. Say I want to get out. I can do this to get out because I'm on the sell side, so I should be able to move this. Hold on, let me move this. So I put a sell right here. If it hits this line, it should sell this one contract that I'm in right now. Let's see. So we got to give it time to hit that line. Okay, are we almost there? Order filled. See, it kicked me out. It kicked me right out. You see, it kicked me out and bounced right back up. Though, you see that? That's what you call perfect timing. I don't know. Dang, my account was already down, so I don't know how much I got in that last trade, but it probably was 75, 80. Most of that $100 that I had lost on this one over here. Oh, I can see I made $90, so I'm only $10 down on that last trade. And you can just go back and forth and do it all day. It's really just that simple for real. So you can here, this is ATM, or ATM is automatic transaction something, but say you click this and we turn it on, and we add a name. I'm just gonna call this Ted. Bam. Okay, showing ticks. We got take profit and stop loss. So we're gonna take our take profit. We're gonna say and this is in ticks. So it takes 4 ticks to make $1. So we're gonna say 12 ticks, and we're gonna put our stop loss at 5 ticks. So when you get in the trade, it's automatic. If you make 12 ticks, it's gonna kick you out. If you lose 5, it's gonna kick you out. I can't see this damn thing down here. I can't get to it because it'll hide that. There. Okay, so now let me just show you how this thing works right here. All right. What time we got? We're on 1 minute. Okay. We're going back up. We're gonna go back up with it just for example's sake. All right. Buy market.
Order filled.
Now, you see these two over here? They're gonna kick you out. Either we go up here and get kicked out, or we get down here and get kicked out. Either or. Lucky me.
Order filled.
I'm a good trading fool today, ain't I? But let's see what we made in that little time period. We just made another $60 in that little 1 second or 2 seconds, or however long it took. So we was down 100, and now we up 150. All right. So this one is another exit way. Let's go. Oh, let me show you one more thing. Go back up. We're gonna go back up with it. We're gonna. I should have stayed in there.
Order filled.
Okay. Again, it can go up here or go down there.
Stop filled.
All right. See how fast it kicked me out? But we're gonna go back.
Order filled.
You can move this. Say you want to give yourself more space. You drop that down a little bit. And now if it push back on you a little bit, it ain't gonna kick you out immediately. Or say it start pushing up like that and you want to make a little bit more money, you move that up a little higher. But say for example, okay, let's say for example now, like I don't trust it. You can automatically flatten everything with this button right here. Press that button.
Order filled.
You out. Everything flat. This is exit at market and close. So anything else that was open, closed, is going to close everything and to put you out at market. You're funny. All right. All right. So now let's talk about math for a second. Let's talk about the math. Well, this is going to be really important once you start trading with your real money. This section up here is really, really important. So let's put ourselves in a real live trading situation. Let's say we got $1,000. We have $1,000 in our account. For whatever it is, forget that. We got $1,000. So in order for you to buy one NQ, it costs you $100. No, one M. Let's go to the minis. Do it right. All right. To the minis. My fault. All right. So in order for you to pay for one of these, it costs you $100. But damn, man, let me see if I can change this equity right quick. I want to change it, but it won't let me. All right, it won't let me change my equity. But because you're not going to really be able to see. But just remember, for every one of these you want to buy, if you got $1,000 and you want to buy some of those, then it's gonna be a portion of your total margin. So your initial margin over here would be $1,000. This is gonna be full, like it'll be $1,000. Now day margin. When you buy one, you use 10% of your margin. You buy two, is 20, 30, 40. But you have to be conscious when you buy with your 1,000, because you have to leave it room to grow or fall. The grow don't matter, but you got to leave it room to fall. So if you start with 5, say you start with 5, and you had $1,000, you got $500 worth of loss before they automatically kick you out. Your margin will kick you out. So let's just do a real example. But this won't be right because it's basing it off 50,000, not off of what you really got in your account. But this is very, very important because I didn't understand it when I first started trading. But this will give you room to stay in a trade. Like say for instance, you got $1,000 and you buy 9 contracts. You only got $100 worth of room. If it moved $5 against you, if it jumped $5 down, it's gonna kick you out automatically. And you don't want that because they charge you $25 for auto liquidation fees. So on top of your loss, you get an extra $25 plus you're getting charged for commission costs for taking you in and out. So you want to make sure you leave yourself enough space. So let's buy one. Let me see. Let me buy one and see what happens. Let's buy one. Look like I'm gonna go with sell. I'm gonna sell market.
Order filled.
Okay, so we're losing right now, but you see it's very small. Let me see. Click that button. We put it up here and click so we could talk about this. All right, so this is your accounts. So total margin used, basically 0. We haven't used anything because we only paid $50 for this because it was we got so much money and it's cheap. But when you buy 5 or 10 with your real money, then this is going to change dramatically. This will be like if you had $1,000 and you bought 10 of them. See, we only used $100, which is nothing. Matter of fact, let's go back. Let me go back and show you. I did practice accounting way. Okay, one was 100. What we on MQ? We got 50,000. Let's buy 30. That way we can get a good look at it. Sale 30. Oh.
Order filled.
Okay, we in now. Now you see, we way up in the margin now. And but we ain't really lost no money yet. We're only down 150 on a 30 buy. But let's look at this again. So now you see, the first one was 100, and now we bought 30 more. So we just spent $3,100. So we have 31 of those. And this is our total margin, 94%. So we can afford to lose 94% and still not get kicked out of this trade. This is super important to know. When you got real money, you want to manage that. You don't want to have so many contracts that it make it hard for you to have any room for losses. Now we're down $200 some in this month. It's not a big deal because we have so much room. Like I really would like it to make a strong move against us for real so you can see it. But if it don't, it don't. Okay. Our little loss is breaking down. We're back to 200. But we have so much room that you could just let this ride. Like a lot of times what I do at 5 o'clock when the market open, I'll just buy one. I'll buy 3 or 4 or 5 of them and just let them roll. I'll go to sleep and wake up. And we know the NASDAQ going to run 100 points, 80 points at night. If I pick the right direction, I'm going to be up 80, 90 points. 80, 90 points, and I'm making $2 a point. I'm making $2, but I got 30, so I'm making 60. Making $60 a point, and it's up 80. That's like $2,400 I would make if that would happen. Like we about to go plus in this one now. And this little blue line right here is your entry line. This is when you got in at. This is your price you got in at. I got in at 253. Well, that's my average price because I had some already. But let's just hold it for a minute and see if we can go back plus. Okay. Give me some money now. Whoa, see that big jump? The thing jumped right away from us. You see that? From almost, but I think it's still gonna go down though. There you go. Pay me to see more. Whoa, you see that? Did you see that? It just jumped up $400 like that. That's how you would get your account killed right there. That was super strong. Oh, and that's because it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, I think the Asian market just kicked in at 9 o'clock. Those things you gotta know. But we're losing out. But again, if you look at this, it hasn't even, we still have so much room for growth. You can just go to sleep and leave that thing there, and it'll come back tomorrow. And because the cycles of the market, how it goes up and down, you might put a thing for the takeoff. Now, see, this is when you gotta admit that you're wrong and get out. Let's exit.
Order filled.
And get on the other side.
Order filled.
See if we can get some of that money real quick. Ooh. Come on. Now you're down. I think we lost about 500 or so, but now you're just trying to manage and figure out. I did about 30. Just see if it'll push us to get some of that money back. Ooh, are you playing games today? Oh, he playing games. You see that, though? You see how they'll play with you. So you can't really be, you have to be really focused on the math of the situation. Like, if your math is correct, don't worry about all that moving and shaking. There we go. Get my money back, bitch. I played too much. Look at that. Make $1. See, that's how you get your money right back with interest for playing with me. I'm gonna exit at 640.
Order filled.
You see that? No, really just that easy, y'all. Now, I think that's about it, honestly. Like I said, once you know what your initial capital is, knowing your day margin, your initial margin, that's just the most important thing. Don't put yourself in a situation where you don't have any space, because you will get stopped out. I missed an 800-point move yesterday because I let myself get stopped out when I could have just canceled. I let it go down just way too much. I could have stopped it, waited till 1 o'clock when he started talking, and I would have got every dime of that 800-point move yesterday, but I let it stop me out at 8 o'clock in the morning. It ruined my day. But basically, this should be it for real. Like, from there, that's a pretty broad understanding of it. So, and just you have to figure out, what your trigger's gonna be to exit and enter trades. This green line is my exit and entry target. When they cross this line, so let's say, for example, this come back down and go below this line. I'm gonna start looking to sell. Does that mean that the 1 minute trend has changed? Well, I only use it on the 1 minute, but you can compare it to the 5 minute, and you see in the 5 minute it's a confirmed uptrend. It's above this line, and the 30 minute is still not an uptrend. In the 30 minute, you see it's still below. It's still below on the 30 minutes, so you got to be careful. That's not a real in the bigger picture. It's not a confirmed trend, so you got to be careful. But I mean that's more advanced stuff. I just wanted to show you, how to manipulate the site. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Come on, okay. Oh, I can't spell. But so now this will be enough for you to navigate the page and get comfortable with it, so you can execute your trades with precision. Okay, no. In my theory, we're still in 1 minute. It's getting close to this. Now I'll let it drop below that and let one candle open below it before I would like say it push down and just kind of tease below it. That wouldn't be an entry for me. I need a solid confirmed exit entry point. You see, it faked like it wanted to go down there, and it came right back up here and went straight back up. Any questions? Anybody got any questions? It would be the same if you went to the MES. It would be the same thing. It doesn't matter. Like, so the ES is $50 a point, as you know, and the micros is the mini and the micro. The micro is $5 a point, or $1.25 per tick, and it's 4 ticks it's 4 ticks. So you want to play? What's about 300 of these? See what happens. I sell 300. Come on.
Order rejected.
That's too many. That's too many. Let's go 100. What I mean?
Order filled.
Oh shit, I'm in. So I got 100 of these now. So watch how fast that money gonna change if you do anything crazy. But I put up. You see how much I put up? I put up $5,000. So if we get a good push real quick on our $5,000, we might make 15. You might make 1,500, 2,000. That's enough money a day off $5,000. It just depends on, what your particular objectives are. But my objectives are small. I believe in compound entries. I don't try to kill. On $5,000, I really would be happy with like $1,500 in a day. So if this thing, it ain't doing nothing, it's just sitting still. But if it flashed me anything that looked like 1,500, shit, I'm exiting. I'm going to sleep. Going to sleep. I'm going outside, work on my car. I'm gonna do something, because you can. Hold on. My fault. No, I'm up 125. Okay, breakdown. Let's see if we get us a little breakdown, y'all. If we get a breakdown even to down here, you can see that's 50 cent lower, so that would be we on 250. The question, boob, shit, $2, $3, $4, $500 a day for you was great, partner. You dig? And we didn't really risk number $2,000. Now we risk 5 on this one, but that's why I was saying like this math up here is super, super important. You got to really understand your math. And another thing that's super important about this is you have to take your money. Like when you see some money you're happy with, just like we just saw 250 and it turned against us, you should take that 250 on a slow night. Like it's slow right now. So yeah, I'm taking that 250. And then there's no limit to how many you can make 1,000 trades a day. So why not take a whole bunch of small 250s, 300, 400s, and just add them up. It keep the stress off of you. You don't expose yourself to huge risk, and the money's gonna continue to keep adding up. See, we didn't take that 250, and now we down 250, and we could have easily taken that 250. So, in trading futures, when you see your money, take your money. Now, don't get me wrong. Now we could stall this thing out and maybe take us 30, 40 minutes, but now we double what we saw. It might go 1,000 or it might shoot back down, but this is the point. Like we could have took that 250 and got back on the other side. But like I said, if y'all have no questions, I think that was pretty that's a lot of it right there. But you see, look, it's coming right back. So I mean you could stall it out. Well, I'm gonna stall out for a few minutes. So the most we saw was what 500 against us. So if we're gonna be willing to risk 500, we gotta be willing to let it give us at least 500, maybe 750 or 1,000. Your risk, that's based on your personal risk to reward ratio. Mine is like 2 to 1. Okay, look, there go that 500. Huh? Come on. I want 1,000. I'm gonna get 1,000 out now. What you do? Look, there go the 6. Now, if we get to 1,000, look, it's all 750. So we made $750 on 500. If it go to 1,000, we would have made what, 25%, 20% of our money. 20% day on your money is fabulous returns. I'm gonna exit this. I'm through playing. I just took
Order filled.
I took that little 500. Let me show you. Here, go right here. You see these candlesticks right here? Click that, and then go to candlesticks. Yours might be on bars right now. Yours might look like that. Just go up here, switch to candlesticks. Look, we could have got 1,000 or so. We could have kept going, but are you or are you not happy with $500 a day in that little time span? It's the time value of money. I'll be charging. Let me go back up here. Look at that. That thing would have been cooking. Well, look at that big green candle. Good thing we took our little 500 and got out the way, and we could jump right back in. I told you this is my trigger. So you see, it busted, but it wasn't a confirmed, so it came right back down. The question is, would I get back in right there? Nah, not yet. I would want a little bit more confirmation. Honestly, for me, it would have to get below here for me to want to get back in for real, just to get some firm confirmation. But like I said, just take your time, play with this site, learn it, master it. Oh, let me show you one more thing. You could do this too as well. Okay, when you click, well, on my computer is my right mouse button. This automatically, you can either sell or you can buy with this. And that's why I say this thing is built for speed. So where is that? Hold on, let me move it. I can move this. I can move it right where I want it. Say I want it right there and put sell stop. If it hit this, it's going to kick me in automatically. And then I could take that same right click button and say, okay, I'm at 11:25. I'm going to take 4 ticks. I'm going to get out at 10. I'm going to put my exit at 9:10. You got to know your math. Your math is key. So now, if it kick in here, I'm going to get out right there, all automatically. And that's just with the button. So you can enter here, you can enter with the button, you can turn on your automatic brackets. Oh, I ain't even got it on this one, huh? I got to put my brackets on this one. Whoa, it didn't kick me in yet. It almost kicked me in. I don't know what it is. Shit, let's see. Okay.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm in.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
I'm in. Now let's just see what happens. See if it'll push us down far enough to get
Stop
this.
filled. Stop filled.
How many we got?
Stop filled.
I ain't got to 100 yet. All right, let's see.
Stop filled.
Okay, now we got all of them. All right, so let's see if it pushes out. We're going all the way. If we go down, that'll be, let me see, how many ticks is this? What did I say, 11? And we went down to 10. Oh, only 1 tick. That's $4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. But we're making, I think $125 a tick. I have to do the math, 100. Yeah, we're making $125 a tick, give or take. So as it pushes down, we're going to get more and more money. hopefully. And now it's all about other stuff that we can go through, but this was really just about learning how to navigate the page. Once you get comfortable with that, then we could do stuff. We could work on all type of trading techniques. Like if you get in a bad trade and you down a lot, you can cost average and buy some more and bring your price closer to where you at, so you don't have to work as hard to get back. A lot of things you could do, but this one looked like it might turn against us. It might turn against us. I see that's probably too far, because that's at 12 we had one point right now. It's at 12, 25. We were only really trying to get 1 point and we gave up 1 point. So you just have to be conscious of stuff like that. But I still like the downtrend. 5 minutes. Let me look at the 5. No, it's actually a good uptrend. Because on the 5 minutes, you see all the power is going that way. We're gonna drop $1,000, y'all. Bam. We're gonna leave that alone. We don't have to now. Don't get me wrong. If I wanted to, okay, I bought 100. Let's do this. Let's just do this for fun. So you see, my price is 59.1104, and we down $1,000. I'm going to buy some more. I'm gonna buy another 100.
Order filled.
And our price should have changed. You see, our price came up to almost 59.12. It came up almost $1. So now we just got to get back to 59.12. Whoa, that thing shot. Shooting star. It's gone. See that? But now you see what happened? That's the cost. That's the risk you take when you get the doubling up. But it is what it is. This is good practice. and we still only 21% of our margin. So we have this much to lose before we automatically kicked out, which is $26,000. So you have room to let this go a long way against you, and it could come right back. So you really shouldn't be that, worried about this right here. There's a lot to give up, based on your personal, what your portfolio size is and what your stress level is. But mathematically, you okay. You still got a long way to go. But you have to believe. You got to believe in this right here, in the 1 hour. Ooh, even the 1 hour. Oh no. Okay, look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is still, most of the 1 hours are all down. But you got to believe in the down push, in the big picture. In the small picture right now, you're losing. But if you take this and spread this out over the last 8 hours or so, every one of these represent an hour. Now you see, huge. There's nothing. This little up is just a little tick. So in the long term, getting my money, if this was my real cash, I wouldn't be tripping off that. As a matter of fact, this is what I would do. I'd buy some more. That's what I would do for real. But I would wait. Let me go back to the 1 so I could see. But I would wait till I saw a good top. And I don't think that we're at a good top just yet. You could buy some more, and you buy another 100. That would bring you up to like 30 over here. Now you only got 60% to risk, 60% to lose. But those are the numbers you're gonna have to play with your own money. I got 200 contracts right now. I kind of want to buy some more, but I'm not. Oh, there you go. Feed me, Seymour. My money back. Well, we up $1. We up 6 ticks. We down 6 ticks. So now we should be 5, 4. Now, if we would have bought some more up there, like I started to, we'd be plus by now. And literally, you could do this all night. Boob, you could do this all night, partner. That's why I don't be sleep. When you be hitting me, I be wide awake. So we're down 4 ticks. Let's buy some more, fuck it. Baby.
Order filled.
Okay, I bought some more. Now we got 300 contracts. We're down $1,200. Let's see what happens. Oh, there it go. So you bought my price all the way up to $1,218 now. That's the power of cost averaging. Remember, we started at 11. So we came up almost 5 ticks. But we got a lot of, it's gonna be expensive because now we got what we got invested. We got $15,000 invested, which is 300. So the math is our ticks are expensive. Okay. See that? We just went from here we go. Here we go. We're getting like $300 a tick. That's bro. Okay, here we go. I think I feel like, and of course I could be wrong, but this thing might really pay us for real. Just on some, because I don't really see no strength in this. What the 5 minute look like? Oh, the 5 minute look good too. It's up, but it ain't super up. So, and this is the stuff that y'all just gonna have to learn and and do on your own over time. Whatever, what makes you comfortable, how you like to look at your situation. But I bounce back when I'm in a live trade. I trade on the 1, and you can change this to a custom time and change it to seconds if you want it. Custom time, you could say seconds. Let's say 10-second candles. Now the candle's gonna be, look at that, we up 600 now. We gone, y'all. Oh shit, where is that? Did I move that? Cancel that shit. Okay, let's see how much money we can get out this thing. We saw what we saw, 2,000 down. We saw 2,000. Let's see if we can get. Oh, let me move this. Move it down a little bit. Give us a little room to drop. We saw 2,000. Let's see if we can make 5,000 on the downside. But basically, this is it. This is really just as simple. We just need some capital to get in the game. The more capital you got, the more money you're gonna make. And we done seen money before, y'all. If we only knew. Silly shit. Come on, pay me. Oh, this is 10 seconds. Each one, I'm on 10 seconds now. That thing moving fast. Oh, it's going back up. Man, it went back up. I'm still pretty confident because, again, we got to get down here. If we break this, let me draw that line I was trying to draw, horizontal line. If we break this line right here, if we hold on for this line and get a break of it, there it go. Look what I see. I drew that line. It went straight to it. Now it's gonna dump. Now we finna make $5,000-$6,000, y'all. Because now it can come all the way down. The next level I see is probably right here, which ain't much difference. We up 2, or we could come down here If we come down here, in fact, let me move that a little bit more. I want the thing come down here. If we get here, let me draw another line right here. Let's see if we can draw a line right here. Get another line right here. If it touched this line, we probably gonna be up 10K, y'all. Let's see if we can make 10K. We up 3. This is easy, y'all. It ain't easy. I ain't telling a lie, but it's easy now. Now, do you want to take your 3,000 or do you want to make 10? It's up to you. Me, I'm sticking around for the 10, not because I'm greedy, but I don't see any strength. If you see, there's nothing telling you this going back up right now. And I don't move unless the chart tells me to move. I'm going to change my candles. These are called Heikanashis. As long as these particular candles don't have nothing at the top, you're not supposed to get out your trade. You ride it all the way till you start seeing wicks at the top. But you can't, I don't like to trade with them. I know some people trade with them, but I don't like to trade with them. I'll use them, for reference, but I don't want to trade with them. All right. We doubled what we lost, what we was down. Look at that, y'all. Let's get money. Oh, shit. There go 5K, y'all. Oh, look at that. 6. Okay, that's my first line we just hit. Now, hold on. Let me show you that. Now, you see this red line right here? This red line is low of the day. If it break this red line, we might make 20,000 in this trade. So it's worth it for us to stay in it and see. You see what I'm saying? Y'all remember my equity was below, it was 48. Now my shit up over 54. So I'm up 5,000. Y'all might be up more than that. I don't know, but I ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna ride this thing for a minute. Look at that. Come on. Come on. So what we got invested? We got 15,000 invested, y'all. And we at 6,000 right now. Do the math now. That's almost 50% of your account in an hour or so. However long we've been on this thing. We've been on here an hour and 20 minutes. And we've just learning. We were just practicing most of that time. But we've made almost 50% on our money in an hour. With the potential, if it do what I think it's about to do, we could double our money in this hour. So if you really would have started with 1,000 and we traded almost exactly like this, you'd be up 2 right now, almost 2. And it's nighttime. It ain't even 8 o'clock, 8:30 in the morning yet. And you literally could do this all night. Starting Sunday at 5 o'clock till Friday at 5 o'clock. Okay, y'all, we had 50% of our money now. Oh, it turned around on us. Be nice now. Don't give me 100%. It look like I know what the hell I'm talking about. Play too fucking much. But you see it went right to that line I put right here. Went to that line 3 times and tested it. That's a solid line. Now, if it break that line, it can come back down here $2 more. But this is where I say, like, you have to know, you got to know your chart. Like, if it, and the more times it test this line, the stronger the possibility that it's going to break. But it could bounce off this line. We're giving back some of it now, but we so far up that why would you even sweat it? The trend is still, the bigger trend is still down. So you can just let that thing cook. Let it cook, y'all. Come on, cook for us. We got to get below this line right here to take us all the way down to right here. Oh, we tapped it. Oh, that was, what am I on? A 30-minute. We ain't tapped it yet. We ain't tapped it since we've been in. Yeah, any kind of serious down push, we're going to eat. 02. 05. We need 02. Oh, I got to show you one more. I got to pull up one more thing so y'all can see it. Y'all can see it because it's another way to enter. It's another way to enter, and it will help you see your profit. It'll let you see where your money really at, how much you're gonna make. Hold on, I'll be right back. Turn it back around on us, huh? Okay. Okay. I still ain't going nowhere. Hold on, let me see something. Let me go to my Discord. No, I don't want that. What's new? Where is mine? No, we're getting a good breakdown right there. It bounced right off that level. I see it off that line I had down there. Where did that line go? Oh no, it's at the line right now. Okay, now we gave back half our money. We seen seven. I think we seen 7,000. Now you gotta ask yourself, man, when you getting out, would you get out or not? Yeah, I'm gonna get out. I'm out at 4,000.
Order filled.
I'm out at 4,000. And if I wanted to, I could get right back in, do the same thing, go right back down. But 4,000 was 4,000 for me. I'm only up 2,000 on the day. Well, that's because I was down. Yeah, I'm up more than that. Let me see. I'm a sure invite. I'll do it. Yep. You know, I got out and you just push right back down. Look at that. Look at all that money we would have left. We left on the table. It was going right and hit that level. I promise you. Hold on. What's the difference between sell market and exit market? Sell market is how you enter a trade. Like if I want to go to the put side,
Order filled.
I sell market. Exit at market is how you close your trades, all of them.
Order filled.
You see, these you enter on, this one you exit on. But if you're in a, I'm just calling them calls just because it's going to the upside. But if you're in one of these and you want to set you a stop, then you can just do the opposite of it because you can't have both sides of the trade. You can only trade on one side of it. The other side is just going to automatically kick you out. You can't enter a trade with this. And if you click this button here, it'll show you some other ways. Like, so now it's reverse and close. What reverse and close is okay, I'm gonna do a buy.
Order filled.
Now I'm in a buy right now, and say we're gonna let it grow a little bit. I'm just gonna see what happens. Hopefully it go up. I want to lose a little bit of money. Okay, so this arrow right here, it tells you the direction that your current position is. Your current position is up. I bought 100 at 59.0825. Okay, so now it's moving against me. I lost $375. Now say I made a mistake and I want to go down. I should be able to push this button.
Order filled.
And now it took me it closed that one, and now I'm going down. My current thing should be going down. As you see, we in an active trade right here, headed down. So you can reverse your positions immediately. So if you're in a wrong position or you click a wrong button, you can use this to fix your problem. And that's why I say this platform is built for speed. So I've made a lot of mistakes on her, just like pushing the wrong button at the wrong time, not meaning to push one thing, and slippers count, as they say. They're going to charge you for them mistakes. Now, where my line at? Oh, 95. I think you can get it. Okay, so this is right where my line was. Remember I said if it break this right here, it's gonna go down. It's gonna push down pretty hard. We're definitely gonna get this new low probably. And now if we get to that, we might get a bounce off of there. Just gotta put, okay, gonna push through. Push. There you go. Yeah, it's finna give it up. All right, we up 500 again. Look at that. What I tell you? What did I tell you? Y'all don't be believing me when I be saying stuff. Now that thing flushed on us. Now I'm gonna change this back to exit and close.
Order filled.
Oh, it kicked me out. What the hell happened? Why did it kick me out? I had an order down there. I made $875 in that trade. Just like that. Told you it was gonna hit that line and push down. Now, if we would have stayed up when we was way back over here, when we was over here and we got out up here, if we would have stayed in there right there, we'd be up 15,000. We'd be up 100% on the day. I wonder what the hell happened. Oh, I did lose some somewhere else, but now look at that. Steady pushing down. Steady pushing down. And it's still, what would I do? I'd buy a lot of these others and let it push.
Order rejected.
Oh, that's too many. I had that many though.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Why? Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Why won't let me buy nothing else? I don't know what's going on.
Order filled.
Guess it just won't let you buy that many at one time. I still think there's some more room down here to go down. But that's it, y'all. I'm just experimenting. But if you guys have any questions, y'all can hit me up, man. I'm gonna wrap this up, but I will be trading live probably next week, starting next week sometime. Yeah, probably Monday I'll be trading live. So if y'all want to just tap in with me and we can start trading live. I'm gonna say fund your accounts. Whatever you put in your account, you just got to base your trades on, what your particular math is. And I'm going to do the best I can to get us some money. Did I send you that? Oh, yeah, I did that. All right, y'all. Well, I'll see y'all later, man. I'm going to wrap this up for the day. Oh, we're still going. Let me exit this thing.
Order filled.